And good morning. Boy, what a day. It's hot and I'm wet and sticky, but I figured I'd come out here and do a short video. So anyway, I'm redesigning the whole tailgate because this is going to be the part that defines the car. So basically what I did was, this part used to be, this metal piece used to be attached up here. If you remember what the original, see, it used to be attached over there, and it used to be attached over there. Well, what I did was I took and I cut it off of the car, and then I trimmed it because it was fatter and I didn't need all that, so I made it light. And what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and cut wood the same dimensions almost as that, so hopefully it'll fit in there, which was what I was doing before, but I had the curve all wrong. So, and the other thing I did was, if you remember, I had door hinges originally on the tailgate. Well, I got rid of that completely, and I've been carving up this couple pieces of lumber here, and if you look, you'll see that I've drilled holes in the end of both pieces of lumber, and taking wooden dowels, I basically, let's see if I can, okay, here we go. Wooden dowels, I basically shove it in the end here and line it up with a hole in the other piece of wood, and I've made myself pivoting hinges, and they were doing that line. There we go, and that's one, and here's the other. So anyway, now what I've got is a pivoting hinge for that's not on door hinges, but on a wooden dowel setup. And of course, when they do it with metal, they'll take, and I have a feeling what they're going to do is, instead of trying to do what I've got here, they'll probably take pipe and weld it inside of the steel tubing they've got. And as you can see, this rotates nicely. Of course, when I did that, I changed all the dimensions on the other parts of the car, so now I'm having to redo everything. But that's all right. What I'm doing is I'm thinking ahead, because I want something strong on the back here. What they'll probably do for me is they'll probably take and run a pipe all the way across, and then run the, well, I don't know. They'll have to figure it out, because somehow or another they got attached the tailgate to the frame. So I still got the bumper attached to this setup too. What I'm going to do is, to give some strength to the bumper bracket, I'm going to have it bolted right through that metal piece that they make to attach the tailgate onto here. So hopefully that'll be strong enough. So anyway, now, like I said, I got to redesign because this angle is still long. See, this board, the back of this board has to come up to this edge here, to the back of this edge, so that it creates the inside of